Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Chicken Scratch, and it finishes at 14 inches. Here is the diagram. Here's what 4 blocks look like, block to block. They are set horizontal and vertical, alternating. This is a free pattern by Sweetfire Road from Moda Fabrics. If you click or scan this code, you can download the pattern, and it makes a 64-inch by 78-inch finished quilt. And you can use jelly rolls, leftover jelly rolls, or just cut your own strips. Patch A is a 2-inch by 14-inch finished rectangle. We cut 14.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And of course, these are the long, narrow strips this way. We cut 4 of those. And patch B is a 2-inch by 7-inch finished rectangle. We cut 7.5 inches by 2.5 inch rectangles. And we have 2 different fabrics for that. So for the A patch fabric, we're going to cut 4 at 2.5 inches by 14.5 inches. And for the B fabric, from each of these fabrics, we're going to cut 3 at 2.5 by 7.5 inch rectangles. We'll just sew the B patches together like this and then put the block together. Here are the fabrics I've chosen for this demo. These, of course, are my B fabrics and my A fabrics. We'll start by sewing these B fabrics together like this and press the seams open. You'll have 3 of these. So these strips are done. Now we're just going to sew them between these longer strips. And this fabric can be dark or light, it doesn't matter. Now sew these together and press the seams open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.